We are so bugged by plastic water bottles, and I'm going to tell you more about why. For one, plastic is very bad for our wildlife. Let's take a look around for some local animals to see how plastic affects their lives. Oh, look, there is a sea turtle. And now we have our on-site marine biologist to tell us a little more about how plastic is affecting this sea turtle.
Thank you, Ty. Over here we have a local sea turtle, and as you can tell by its abdomen, it's very well versed in the art of Kung Fu. Here we have a plastic bag choking its neck, and a water bottle from us, humans. It mistakes it as a jelly. This is a growing epidemic. Over here, you have a local animal who has once again mistaken this plastic water bottle as food.
So now let me tell you a few more facts about plastic water bottles. 1. Americans used about 50 billion plastic water bottles last year, but only 10 billion were recycled. 2. The energy we waste using bottled water would be enough to power 190,000 homes. And my last fact, to make plastic, we need oil. But making oil causes the burning of fossil fuels, which affects climate change and hurts our environment even more.
Most people already know how water bottles affect our tangible environment, but today we're here to show you how it affects our atmosphere as well.
Okay. To demonstrate this, we're going to be burning a plastic water bottle, and we're going to measure its influence on the atmosphere with this scale. So I'm going to turn it on, and we're going to get a before measurement on this water bottle. And it's around 10 grams. So after we're done burning it, we should know how much of it went up into the atmosphere and harmed the earth through the difference between the two. So I'm going to start burning. Okay, so we just finished burning our 10-gram water bottle, and what's left over is 8 grams. As you can see, this is the result. So overall, that's a 2-gram loss, and that's what goes up into the air and harms our atmosphere.
So we showed you how plastic goes into the atmosphere when you burn it, but why is that bad? Well, disposing plastics through burning leads to environmental pollution due to the release of poisonous chemicals. The polluted air, when inhaled by humans and animals, affect their health and can cause respiratory problems. The burning also causes pollution that leads to global warming.
Now, these are some solutions that you could start today to prevent plastic pollution.
One tip is to use reusable bags.
Another tip is to recycle anytime you use plastic materials.
Make sure that you buy face washes without microplastics.
And make sure you cook at home more, because when you go to fast food restaurants and ask for it to go, they give you plastic bags, and those are really bad. Now,
Bottoms up with your reusable water bottles.
Those solutions were all good and things that we can all do today, but our organization has come up with an idea to even further remove plastic from our world. And that solution is to raise taxes on water bottles, specifically plastic water bottles. With the raising of taxes, hopefully Americans will stop wanting to buy these plastic water bottles, and thus we'll have no more plastic water bottles to sell. If you agree with our cause and want to help, please click the link below. And once again, thank you for watching our video and making the world a place freer of plastic.
some more. Okay, I'm gonna work on this. Go.
I just love the environment.